G Rana VP
Grand addiction, baby.
Sure. Sure. Ebathi thathi break twana tetela bomji badlala isikhanda samagama vele ngigcwale for free fede nginja kule game ngibize DOG ngepunchline ngidaphezulu ngibize GOD wangigcina kudala ngibuyile manje 2025 iplan la kulonyaka ukudla plenty many wives ngisho lama 2K abathanda night for swag umbize ngo baby simthathe ngama ice tropes bathi hip hop sayifile let me energize MGEE you better recognize the number 1 85 no need to emphasize and I'm a line I'm nice like N next to ice I'm a gatekeeper where rap they handle the door mara makufika mina no battle for sure beef ngipheka very early ibe scramble for sure ungibize best equalizer cause I settle your score ngathathi break kule game more than 10 years straight skills enu was improve because a man fears change ungadeleli duze nami uzobhoda ngespeed uzenza flyer una kite boy you shot nge-3 yeah isikhokho yimi lana that's a fun fact wisusa nami ntwana there's no comeback I'm not an athlete but I run rap when ufana ne-train waziwa on one track ngeke ungenze next lay rap madala I'm stylish in these bars like Cat Matlala zama ukuzikhompera nomG sack yaphapha mina ngilift season scoop my work yasala utlanthola dekokazi ka case ya black ka rhyme ku shapa dizzy like straight sajek enemies on my back for that race ya check ka this vest ke tlotuma like case ya shebe abo mrapper basekase ni fake blind I'm a gangster ku social media and FaceTime angiboni king kule rap so I'm here to take mine mangilambile ngibize 7 because I 8-9 woo seyisukile manje ngidedela ama slow flow hawumbona kaslaw mangihrunta uthi show ngibhaka nice angishisa makhekhe bring modo ekasi I'm the only senior left with bucks like Hodo bhala kacanzo keep inkani uthatha ama chance yangazi kubani IVP to edubani umG isikhokho sovumani I'm done here back to my shell zobuyi rap my feel futhi sifaka ama farewell sure